Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add any audio clip to Instagram Reels. So first up here, open up your Instagram app as you can see on your screen, and then go to your profile page at the bottom right. Here on your profile page, tap on your plus icon at the top right-hand corner. And here, once you tap on the plus icon, tap on the Reels section, and then from here, you're going to select the video to create a reel. For example, this one here. And once you've done, tap on next at the top right. So this is the video. Next, we need to add the audio clip. So if you want to add any audio clip or if you want to find any audio clip, you just need to go here on YouTube application and then go and search on the search icon at the top right and find the audio or audio clip that you want to add. For example, this one here. Now, before you play the video, all you need to do is you just need to turn on your screen recording. So as you can see, in my end, I just opened my screen record. So here and then you just need to save it to your photo.
You sound as though you're feeling the pressure.
I'm not feeling the pressure, no. You cannot put pressure on me. No chance.
All right, so that's it. So now, once you save it on your gallery, you will now go back to your Instagram application, right? So what we're going to do now, once we are go back to our Instagram app, and then here you just need to tap on the audio or add audio section at the bottom middle, and then we can now tap on import and select this recorded
You sound as though
video.
you're feeling the pressure.
All right, and then you can adjust this one according to your
Pressure.
preference.
Feeling the pressure. As though you're feeling the pressure.
I'm
All
not
right,
Feeling the pressure.
I'm not feeling the pressure, no. You cannot put pressure on me. No.
and then tap on
I'm not feeling
done.
the pressure, no. You cannot put pressure on me. No
All
chance.
right, so this is the audio clip that I want to add on my reel. And then once we have this one, then tap on done. And there you go. We are now ready to share it on our
I'm not feeling
Instagram
the pressure, no.
Reels.
You cannot put pressure on me.
So
No
you
chance.
just have to follow that simple steps. You can basically first find or look for any of the audio clip that you want to add on your Instagram. So maybe you can use YouTube application or any social media a platform like Facebook, and then you can just save it using the screen recording. And then once you've done on that, you just need to go to Instagram Reels and you can add that by using the add audio, and you will have that Instagram Reels with that audio clip. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.